So today we are washing our 1965 Mustang Convertible. Now we're gonna use some items from the dollar store. This cost me less than $5. So we got steel wool, we got the Dawn dish soap, and we got special sauce. Now all this can be found at the dollar store. Now we're gonna work on these rims first. As you guys can see, like how bad that is. You can see all that. So we're gonna go ahead and start the process. So first we're gonna, just spray water on it. After we spray water, we're gonna use some soap, put some soap on it. And then after, we're gonna rinse it because we want it to get clean. And then we're gonna spray the special sauce. And then we're gonna use the steel wool. So check it out. We're gonna start off first. Let's do this. Now, since we're starting with the rims first, I want you to see the car. It is dirty. It's very dusty. Like, doesn't look too bad, but in camera, but you could see right there, it's all that dust. But we're gonna focus on the rims first, and then work from there with this car. Start with rims first, and then go ahead and wash the car, and go ahead and just touch up any of like this corrosion here, so you guys can see here on the chrome. So we're gonna make this look a lot better than what it is currently. Brand new front bumper, as you guys know. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna do this ourselves, less than $3. So right here, we're just gonna spray some water just to take any of the dirt off or whatever is just on the surface. Right here, I'm spraying soap on the rims to get them nice and clean before I spray on that special sauce, and using the steel wool to get that chrome looking nice and shiny and getting all that corrosion and water spots off of that rim so it can come back to life. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the special sauce and the steel wool, and with this I'm gonna work in sections. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna just spray the bottom first right here. Okay, so spray a good amount. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds and go ahead and start using the steel wool. So once it settles in, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the steel wool and start doing this, guys, after 10 to 15 seconds. So show you guys after this is done. So stay tuned, see the end result on this. So I'm gonna let it sit and then go ahead and do the whole rim right now after I let it sit. So check this out, guys. I just noticed this. You see that green? That's actually from it being next to the salt water. So with this steel wool, it's gonna take off that green. So I wanted to show you guys that because I just caught that, and that just came out because of just washing the rims. But it's been about 15 to 20 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and start from the bottom and get rid of all that green. I would say that's algae or corrosion, but we definitely want to get that out of those rims here. So check out the difference from the bottom to the top. That's the top, that's the bottom. And I'm still not done. I'm gonna have to scrub about for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes to get this clean. Because what with the special sauce, you guys comment down below on what this is, and our guys will tell you what this is. So comment, like, and I'll tell you what the special sauce is and what you need to get from the dollar store to make this work. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna have to keep on doing this for a little bit to get it stand out. But look at how clean it is. So you want to just not have this on the rim for too long. You want to just scrub it off, scrub, and then use water, rinse it, and then do it all over again. Rinse it, do it all over again, rinse it, and just keep on doing the process until you get it to where it's going to be clean. Now, I notice it's not going to take too much of this corrosion off, but it's definitely going to make it look and shine a lot better than what it is, so you guys can see now. But so watch, keep on getting to this, guys. So for this emblem, since it's so small, what I'm gonna do is spray this product on the steel wool just like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, scrub it in here. To take off all that stuff on there. I want to get as much of that salt water out of this like chrome as much as possible, because the longer it sits, it's just gonna get destroyed, right? So I want to go ahead and take as much as this as possible out today before I put it in. But yeah, so I'll show you this process here too. So it's washed. This is the first wash. Now look at how clean she is, and look at the rims, how clean those are. Now this is the first wash. Now one thing I did notice while washing it, there was a lot of grime, like green grime, like from when it was by the ocean. That's what I would assume. So I definitely need to wash this like twice. This is the first wash. I ran out of steel wool, so I couldn't get onto this one, but you can see the difference. This is like before, and then this is how it will look after. I mean, that's a huge difference, guys, in just the rims. But I'm definitely gonna have to wash it twice, because I want to definitely get that green gunk out, or green slime. I want to say it's algae. I really don't know what it is. I don't really wash cars, but I wanted to wash this car myself and do some things with it myself. So any detail, guys, if you guys know what that green is, if it's by the ocean, because this car has been sitting by the ocean, comment down below and let me know what that is, because I don't know what it is. But I definitely know I need to definitely get it out, that paint, get it off the paint, that's for sure, because if not, the paint will start bubbling and start underneath, start rusting. So like this, show you guys, this is like just a little bit that it started rusting. So this is what happens when you leave an old car next to the ocean, or they probably didn't do this correctly, but the longer you have an older car that's just pure metal next to the ocean, it can corrode really fast. So and you guys can see this here too, on like here. So I'm gonna use some more steel wool and get all this and get this, you know, as clean as possible. It's not gonna be perfect, obviously, but it's definitely gonna be nicer than what it is. And yeah, I mean, this is just the first wash, so you guys can see. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the '65 Mustang Convertible?